I don't know. I think I'm gaining weight. So hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world, because you know you're always welcome to be a part of my world, you know. But anyways, in this video I will be unboxing some waist beads that my friend sent me. Wasted waist beads, but I'll tell you more soon. So yes, let's get right into the video because I'm excited to see, you know, everything. Okay. I will be starting off with the package my friend sent me. I haven't seen it yet, so you already know I'm excited. Her Instagram is wasted_waistbeads. I think it's 2_, but I'll leave the information right here so you can see it. But yeah, she sent it to me, and you know, props to you, Delisha. Her name is Delisha, the owner. Yep. And she has my name on there as Marla B. Okay. That's my favorite name, period. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Woo! It comes like this. Let me show you guys. The packaging is on fleek. Period. Okay? Look at this. I got a free bag. Okay? Like I got scrunchie, and my favorite color is purple. If you already know, you know what's up. So I'm excited. Since I have braids, I've been wearing a lot of these, but they weren't as cute as these, so I'm excited to have these. I appreciate it. Thank you, Delisha. What else is in there? I think this is the waist bead, so I'm going to save this for last, but I just want to show you guys what else came in my package. You have some stickers. I think you could put it on your phone or whatnot. Black is beautiful, and that's on period, because you know, different shades of melanin, all beautiful. You know, don't let nobody tell you otherwise, okay? Melanin popping, because always. When that sunlight hit and that melanin is popping, you already know what's up. Ooh, this is cute because this is a mood. Oh my gosh. I like this one because, you know, I have braids. I think I'll recreate this picture when I get dressed or something. Also, guys, I went for a walk, so that's why I'm wearing this. I don't usually wear workout clothes unless I'm actually walking or something. So, yeah. And then I got hair heads. These are one of my favorite candies, but I haven't had them in so long, so I'm actually excited. Yep. And Sour Patch Kids. I love sour candies. Like if I'm buying Skittles, always sour. So Sour Patch Kids, excited. Thank you. And then, of course, this is our business card. This is the information. And then it gives you tips. It's like, thank you for purchasing your wasted waist beads. Below our direction on how to tie your waist beads. So how to tie it. I hope you enjoy wearing these beads. I hope wearing these beads help you visualize your purpose, intentions for your life, and love the body and skin you're in. I like that. Own the inner queen, because baby girl, you're a queen. Visualize that through your beads. Believe it within yourself. Love, Delisha. All right. And basically, it just gives you instruction and how to do it. Okay. And I love this. This is for like when you're traveling. Like, so it's a luggage tag. You just put it on, and I like it. It's like a nice color too. Girl, you spend a lot on packaging, huh? And then, oh, this is the waist bead. This one is called the Nantucket Chocolate Velour. And let me see what's in there. So you got little clips. Nice. Oh my gosh. So you could put things in this, like whether it be lotion or skin cream or something, sunscreen, whatever. Then you have more clips in it. I'm obsessed with this bag, literally. Be survival kit. So you just put like, that's why you have this in there. So I'm assuming this is for sunscreen, but obviously you could put other things in there if you need to. Oh, a toothbrush. Interesting. Oh, I like this. I actually like this. This is pretty cool, but I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna save it in my beach bag for when I'm going to the beach. Oh, she gave you Advil. Oh my gosh, she's so thoughtful. Advils. Oh wow. Makeup removers, and these are name brand too. It's Neutrogena, and it's single, so she sent like 3 of them. Yep. And then your little clippies. Like if you go to the beach and you have like your nice braids and stuff, and you put these in your hair and then you take a picture, that will be bomb. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm always into pictures, so there's that. So anyways, this is the waist bead. It comes in this, and this says you deserve this. Okay, know your words and then add tax to it, because you know what, girl, it's 2 beads. So one of them is the Nantucket, and then the other one is the chocolate Bellier. So I'm pretty sure you could tell which is which. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can tell, this is obviously the Nantucket one. Ooh. So you can put this around your waist how many times you desire. I'll show you when I go in the bathroom. Oopsie. Oh, I like this because I can make one tighter and then one looser under it. So I think I like that about it. So I could do something like this, like right under here, and then like that. So I could do that. So I like that about it. If you can see, I'll show you when I go in the bathroom. That's really cute. Really cute. And I like it because it's bright colors. I also want to add that she does custom orders, so you could tell her whatever color you want or colors, and she'll make it just for you. Okay? Yes. This is the other one. She had sent me one the last time, and it got tight. I don't know. I think I'm gaining weight. So, so I told her to make this one a little bit bigger, and she did. And this is what it looks like. Just like magic. Just like magic. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Guys, fully, this is what the waist bead looks like. Just like magic. This one, obviously, if your belly is out more, then it will look nicer down here. But if not, then it's better here. But I like it. I actually like it like this. But I didn't really fix it yet, so you can't really see much. But yeah, this one you could just wear like that. And I like it. It just accessorizes you. Also, guys, can you tell I'm gaining weight in all the right places? And I'm really feeling it, because listen, I will leave the details for this product in the description below. I'll leave her Instagram and her website so you can check her out. Of course, she's black, so it's black owned business if you want to support like a small local black owned business. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I appreciate everyone that's been supporting me. So thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Bye.